Good day, everyone. My name is Ken Carson Alvarado, the little teacher of study hub number 6. Together with me is my groupmate Elisa Meneses, Micah Faye Arcillas, Cindy Rose Ignacio, and Alec Micaela Tario. Biological factors plays a crucial role in shaping a child's development, influencing everything from physical characteristics to cognitive abilities. These factors are often present from conception and continue to exert their influence throughout childhood and adolescence. Here's a comprehensive look at some key biological factors and their impact on their child development. Genetics refers to the inheritance of traits from parents to offspring. These traits can range from physical characteristics like height, eye color, and hair texture to predisposition to certain disease. Example, a child whose parents are both tall is more likely to inherit genes that predispose them to grow tall. Similarly, a child with a family history of diabetes may be at a higher risk of developing the condition. While genetics plays a significant role, it's important to remember that genes don't operate in isolation. Gene environment interactions are crucial. For instance, a child may inherit genes that predispose them to obesity, but their environments, diet, exercise habit, and lifestyle will significantly influence whether or not they actually become obese. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands in the body. They regulate a wide range of bodily functions, including growth, development, metabolism, and mood. Example, growth hormones secreted by the pituitary gland is essential for physical growth. Sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen play a crucial role in puberty and the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Hormonal imbalances can lead to developmental problems. For example, hypothyroidism, low thyroid hormone levels can cause growth delays and cognitive difficulties. Conversely, preciously, puberty, early onset of puberty can lead to accelerated growth and early sexual maturation. Gender is a significant biological factor that influence development. While males and females share most of the same genes, the Y chromosomes in the males contributes to unique developmental pathways. For examples, boys tend to develop physical later than girls, reaching puberty around age 12 to 14, while girls typically reach puberty between 8 to 13 years old. Gender differences extend beyond physical development. Research suggests that boys and girls may have the different learning styles and cognitive strengths. However, it's crucial to avoid rigid stereotypes and recognize that individuals' difference exists within each gender. Nutrition is a vital biological factor that impacts overall growth and development. It provides the building blocks for cells, tissues, and organs. Example, a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fat is essential for healthy brain development and physical growth. Deficiency in essential nutrients can lead to stunted growth, cognitive impairments, and other health problems. The importance of nutrition extends beyond childhood. A mother's diet during pregnancy can have a lasting impact on her child's health and development. For example, adequate folic acid intake during pregnancy is crucial for preventing neutral tube defects. Prenatal factors, those influencing the developing fetus during pregnancy, have a profound impact on a child's development, shaping their physical, cognitive, and emotional well being. Here's an example in depth look at some key prenatal factors and their influence on child development. Maternal nutrition. A mother's diet during pregnancy directly impacts the development of fetus growth and development. Essential and nutrients serve as a building blocks for various bodily systems, including the brain. For example, adequate folic acid intake is crucial for preventing neural tube defects such as spina bifida, a condition where the spinal cord doesn't close properly. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia in the fetus, affecting oxygen transport and potentially impacting brain's development. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for brain growth and cognitive development of the child. Maternal malnutrition can lead to various developmental problems in the child, including premature birth, low birth weight, and cognitive impairments. Conversely, a balanced and nutritious diet during pregnancy can contribute to healthy fetal growth and development, laying the foundation of a child's future health and well-being. Environmental exposures. Exposure to environmental toxins such as air pollution, pesticide, and heavy metals can also affect fetal development. This toxin can cross the placenta and disrupt normal growth and development. For example, lead exposure during pregnancy can lead to learning disabilities, behavioral problems, and developmental delays. Exposure to pesticide has been linked to birth defects, low birth weight, and neurodevelopmental problems. So that to minimizing the exposure of the environment or by minimizing the exposure to environmental toxin is crucial for protecting the developing fetus. This can involve avoiding certain chemicals, using air purifiers, and choosing organic food whatever possible that the mother can take so that the fetus or the baby can come out or can be healthy and grow.
Socioeconomic factor. Socioeconomic status refers to a person's position in the social hierarchy as determined by a combination of economic and social factors. Socioeconomic status is like a ranking based on how much money you have and your social positions. It's about how well off you are in society. The most considered variables include education and income. Education is a key contributor to individual skills and the enhancement of human capital. It is an important factor that determines the amount of income earned by an individual. Earnings tend to increase with educational level. The highest professional and doctoral degree holders earn the highest weekly and monthly wages compared to others with less levels of formal education. Higher education levels are associated with better psychological and economic outcomes such as networking, greater social support, moral income, and more control. Education is not only important for improving people's living standards, but also strengthens individuals' developmental capacities. Income refers to profits, wages, salaries, rents, and other income flows. Income can also be generated from Social Security, workers' compensation, dividends, and interest, or other public, family, or government financial assistance. Income can also come from lotteries and monetary winnings in competitions where money is the final award. Household income is deemed the general measure of a family well-being. There should be a balance between family expenditure and income level to ensure healthy living where a family or an individual is able to afford all the required goods and services without having to strain. Since income is relatively easy to figure out between various individuals, it is deemed a very important factor in determining the socio-economic status of various people in the community. Income inequality is common in the community and the difference is vivid. Low income families focus on meeting basic needs and not accumulating wealth for future generations. Physical environment. The physical environment is where individuals live, learn, work, and play. People interact with their physical environment through the air they breathe, the water they drink, the homes in which they live, and the transportation they use. Living conditions. The foundation for healthy growth, safe housing, nutrition food, and adequate health care are fundamental pillars of a healthy environment for children. These factors directly influence a child's physical, cognitive, and emotional well being. The example provided focuses on the dangers of lead paint, which can lead to lead poisoning and result in developmental delays. Lead poisoning is a serious public health concern, particularly for young children, as their developing brains are highly susceptible to its toxic effects. Exposure to pollution. A silent threat to develop pollution, especially air pollution, poses a significant threat to children's health and development. Exposure to environmental toxins can have a range of negative impacts, including first, respiratory problems. Air pollution can trigger asthma attacks, worsen existing respiratory conditions, and increase the risk of developing chronic lung diseases. Second, developmental delays. Exposure to pollutants during critical development periods can affect brain development, leading to cognitive impairments and learning difficulties. Third, other health issues. Pollution has also been linked to increased risk of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and other health problems.
Hello everyone, especially to Coach Jude, my cafe Jercilias, and I will discuss to you about the cultural factors and the family dynamics. Cultural factors, norms, and values has a different cultures have varying beliefs about parenting, education, and social behavior, shaping child development. For instance, in some cultures, children are expected to show respect for elders by avoiding eye contact, while in other cultures, eye contact is seen as a sign of honesty and respect. Imagine a world where children learn to respect elders by avoiding eye contact, while in another hand, eye contact is a sign of honesty and respect. That is the power of cultures. It is the invisible hand that shapes our beliefs about parenting, education, and even how we interact with others. So these cultural norms and values become the foundation for our children's development, influencing everything from their communications styles to their sense of self. So now let's proceed to family dynamics. Parenting styles such as authoritations, and pervasive and neglectful can significantly shape a child's emotional and social development. So a child raised with authoritative parenting characterized by a warmth, clear expectations, and open communications is most likely to develop self-confidence and a good social skills. Now, let's talk about the family, the heart of the child development. So, parenting styles play a crucial role in shaping a child's emotional and social landscape. For example, children raised with authoritative parenting, a balance of warm, clear expectations and open communications are more likely to develop self-confidence and a strong social skills. But remember, every family is unique, and understanding these dynamics is a key to support healthy child development. So, by understanding those complex interplay of cultural factors and family dynamics, we can create a nurturing environment that fosters healthy children development. So, let's work together to empower our children to reach their full potential and build a brighter future for all.
Good day everyone, my name is Cindy Rose Ignacio from Bitalat HE 1A, Study Hub number 6. So today I will discuss to you about the social environment and educational factors. So under social environment, we have the peer relationship. So peer relationship means a friendship and social interaction play a crucial role in social and emotional development. A child who has positive and supportive friendship is more likely to develop empathy, learn conflict resolution skills, and build self-esteem. We also have community support. So community support means access to supportive communities and programs such as after-school programs, youth organization, and community centers can enhance developmental outcomes. Children who participate in these programs might have better social skills, develop healthy coping mechanisms, and have access to essential services. So this too has a huge impact in our life because friendships are like building blocks, shaping a child's social and emotional skills. They teach empathy, conflict resolution, and boost self-esteem. But what happens when those building blocks are missing? Children without strong relationship might struggle to develop these essential skills. So imagine a community as a safety net, catching children who might fall through the cracks. Programs like after-school activities and youth organization provide vital support, helping children develop social skills, healthy coping mechanism, and access to essential services. But what if the safety net isn't there? Children without access to these programs might face challenges in their development. So we all have a role to play in creating a world where every child feels connected and supported. So let's work together to build strong friendship and empower our communities to nurture the next generation. So together, we can ensure that every child has the opportunity to thrive in a world filled with friendship, support, and endless possibilities. So next is educational factors. So under educational factors, we have the quality of education. So quality of education means to access to quality early childhood education and ongoing educational support influences cognitive development. Children who attend high-quality preschool programs are more likely to develop strong literacy skills, problem-solving abilities, and a love of learning. So imagine a child who loves to learn, who can read with confidence, and who can solve problems with creativity. So that's the kind of future we want for every children. Did you know that the first few years of a children's life are crucial for their development? High-quality preschool programs can give kids a strong foundation for learning, helping them develop important skills like reading, problem-solving, and a love of learning. It's like giving them a head start on life. So now let's move to school environment. So school environment, the social and emotional climate of schools can impact children's learning and development. A child attending a school with a supportive and inclusive environment is more likely to feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. So always remember, learning isn't just about the classroom. A good school is a place where kids feel safe, respected, and encouraged to learn. So it is a place where they can be themselves, make friends, and feel like they belong. Always remember that quality of education means high-quality early childhood education programs provide a strong foundation for learning, helping children develop essential skills and a love of learning. While the school environment means a supportive and inclusive school environment fosters a sense of safety, respect, and a motivation, allowing children to thrive academically and socially. So quality early childhood education and a supportive school environment, they are the key ingredients for unlocking a child's full potential. So let's work together to ensure that every child has the opportunity to learn, grow, and shine. Once again, my name is Cindy Rose Ignacio from Study Hub number 6. I hope you learned something from it for today's video. Bye-bye!
welcome back to our channel. It's me, Alec, the fifth reporter of Study of 6. But before we dive into my assigned topic, let's quickly recap what the fourth reporter discussed. We learned how social environments, including peer relationships and community support, are vital for child's social and emotional growth. Positive friendships build empathy and conflict resolution skills, while supportive communities offer essential services and healthy coping mechanisms. Educational factors are equally important. Quality early childhood education fosters cognitive development, while a safe and inclusive school environment promotes learning and well-being. So, I will be going to discuss the health and nutrition and emotional factors. So now, I will going to discuss first the health and nutrition. Imagine a car. It needs fuel to run. Similarly, children need adequate nutrition to grow, develop, and reach their full potential. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential for healthy physical growth and cognitive development. So in the picture, this is the example of a balanced plate with different food groups. Think about a balanced plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and dairy products. These provide the essential nutrients for strong bones and healthy brain and overall well-being. So this is the example of a child struggling with chronic illness. However, sometimes children face challenges due to chronic illnesses like asthma or disabilities. This can affect their ability to participate fully in developmental activities. It's crucial to provide extra support and resources to help them manage their condition and thrive. So moving on to emotional factors. We see that secure attachments with caregivers are crucial for a child's emotional stability and social competence. Feeling loved, safe, and supported fosters emotional well-being and help children develop healthy relationships. So this is the example of a child being comforted by a parent. Unfortunately, some children experience trauma and chronic stress. This can negatively impact their emotional and cognitive development, leading to behavioral problems, emotional difficulties, and learning challenges. It's important to provide support and resources to help these children heal and thrive. So this is the example of a child participating in a therapeutic activity. Creating a nurturing, supportive environment, offering therapeutic interventions, and promoting healthy coping mechanisms are essential for children who have experienced trauma and stress. So, in conclusion, child development is a complex and multifaceted journey influenced by various factors, from biological and prenatal influences to social, educational, health, and emotional factors. Every aspect plays a crucial role in shaping a child's growth and development. By understanding these influences, we can create more supportive and nurturing environment for children to thrive. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.